Let me show you where I keep my butyl tape. Somebody on the forum suggested keeping it in the fridge with your sardines and your wickles and your drinks. But I have two different types, both bought from Camping World, one in North Carolina and one here in Georgia. The butyl tape I used on the door is much better than the butyl tape that I bought up in North Carolina. They sell both here in I believe they're both called butyl tape. Okay, I had to get this stuff out of the bag. I have to say, I hate this stuff. I can't stand working with this brand right here. Now it does say butyl trimmable white 1/8 by 1 by 30 feet. I guess that's the product number there. I don't like it. It just feels cheap and it's hard to work with. It's very stringy. It tears apart easy. It does not clean up well at all. I can't stand using this stuff. It'll probably hit the garbage soon. But this is what I bought recently for the door. This just looks better. The paper backing is much better than this paper here. This is really thin paper. We don't care about the paper, but the butyl tape here, and I don't know exactly what brand, or it really was a no-name brand from what I could tell. There is a number in there, but I don't know if that's going to be useful to anyone. But you can tell if you open this up, this is just seems like a much better quality tape or putty. Let me separate this. So I'm trying to do this one-handed, of course. This just comes off easier. Naturally, it does stretch. I don't know if I can stretch this on camera. Hold on. I had to get something to hold down the tape. This comes apart a lot tougher. I mean, not tough. It stretches, but it does take less, and I think it stretches longer. So I don't know about cleanup. It is really sticky. I would say it's about the same, maybe a little tackier here. That's questionable. This was just much easier to apply. This stuff is just junk. See, I can't even get off this roll. See? It's just pulling apart. Matter of fact, this stuff might just hit the garbage. This is just junk. If you see this, you can kind of tell the difference between the packaging and the quality of the packaging and how the putty holds together. This stuff is I think it's trash. It's just my opinion. Maybe somebody loves it, but I think it's tough to work with. You can't even get off the second layer here. So this is really challenging. And so you're deforming the tape before you even apply it to your surface. So I would look for this darker gray tape. It is thicker. I think they said it's 1/8. I'll have to check the receipt. But this fit around the door frame perfectly. It covered all three of those little tracks of the Lippert door frame just perfectly. And by the time it squishes a little bit, when the door gets applied to the RV, then it's really filling out all the areas. So you can see how thick this is. So I like this. This is a little thinner, as you can tell. And again, you can't get it off the roll. Look at that. Whatever. It's going to hit the garbage after this video turns off.